Hello everyone. Hello there. I am here today in front of you all to introduce myself. I am Atharva Amol Nirfar. I am from Osmanabad, Maharashtra. Talking about my education, I am pursuing my education, that is BTech in Electronics and Telecommunication from Shivaji University of Government College of Engineering, Kara. I have done 10th and 12th from Shivatrao Bhosle High School, Osmanabad and Sripatrao Bhosle Junior College, Osmanabad. Also, I would like to mention that in CET exam, I got second rank in my district. Apart from that, I have also completed my certification courses in C and C++, also in Python and AI, ML, and IoT, and doing internship from full stack. Talking about my projects, first project was LPG gas leakage monitor and alert system, and second was IoT-based enabled wireless monitoring and prediction system for heart patients to prevent total heart attack. I have very much interest in IT, AI, ML, and IoT field. My hobbies include sketching, painting, singing, poster making, writing poems, and shairis, and also helping my mother in her sometime work. Also, I in skating hockey and I have played for state and national too. In first year of my engineering, I have participated in hackathon and I was the leader of our group. Also, I was CEO of my class in first year, so I can say that I have leadership qualities in me. Also, my strengths are I'm a patient, a positive attitude, self-confidence, quick learner, flexibility, and dedication to work. I prefer smart work rather than hard work. My weakness is I am perfectionist. My known languages are Hindi, English, and Marathi. About my achievements, I have been selected as a secretary from the coordinator of House of Arts Club of my college. I have been selected as a member of core committee of the Avishkar committee of our college, and I am working as the coordinator of annual magazine committee also. Also, I am a CR of training and placement office of my college. Thank you. That's all about myself. I request in my
Hello everyone. I am Chinmay Kulkarni from Solapur, Maharashtra. I am currently pursuing BTech in Government College of Engineering, Karad in Electronics and Telecommunication Department. I have completed my SSC from St. Joseph High School, Solapur, and my HSC from SR Chandak Junior College, Solapur. My technical skills include C, C++, Python, web development, Unity 3D. I have completed internships in Holofuse Technologies and ExpertSub. In Holofuse Technologies, I was a game level designer, and my work was to design and develop various levels. In ExpertSub, I worked as a uh, full stack web development and AI ML domain. In that, I had two projects. One was a website of alumni database management, and in AI ML, and the project was handwritten digit recognition. My interests are gaming, traveling, as well as world development. Also, as I'm a tech enthusiast, that's all about me. Thank you.
thank you, Chinmay. I request Ritik to continue.
Good morning, guys. My name is Ritik Kale. Currently, I am pursuing undergraduate in electronics engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karat. Currently, I am doing competitive programming for the past 1 year, where I have solved more than 500 questions in various coding platforms like CodeShifts, Pouch, Codeforces. My achievements in competitive programming include at Codeforces, we were able to reach 1306 rating. Um, I also got a rating of 80. I also got a rank of 80 in NCC Wizard PICT contest, which was organized by PICT out of 360 participants. I am interested in Android developments in Kotlin, where I have made several projects, including a Yelp app, which is used to uh, which you used to see the reviews of restaurants in New York. I have made it using a retrofit library. I have also made an app, Conduit app, where people can post articles, can see other people articles, and write comments in it, like the article. That's all from me. I will hand it to Omkar Deshmukh.
Hmm. Hello everyone. I'm glad to introduce myself. My name is Omkar Balaji Deshmukh. I am from Aurangabad district. My education qualifications are I'm currently pursuing third year BTech from Government College of Engineering Card in Electronics and Telecommunication branch. My HSC done in Devgiri College from Aurangabad, and my SSC done from Sushila Devi Deshmukh Vidyalaya from Aurangabad. Uh, I have done various projects, such as I have done a project in first year, which was firefighting robot using Arduino Uno, and in last year I have done a project on face mask detection using OpenCV. I have technical skills such as C, C++, and also learning DBMS. And also I am self-motivated teamwork player, and my hobbies are playing cricket or love to swim in summers. Thank you.
Thank you, Omkar. I would request Sagar Nivargi to continue your introduction.
Hello everyone. My name is Sagar Nevargi. I am from Sangli, Maharashtra. Currently, I am pursuing my undergraduate graduation from Government College of Engineering, Karad in Electronics and Telecommunication domain with an aggregate 8.90 CGPA. I completed my 12th education from Sanjay Godawat Junior College, Atigre, and I completed my 10th education from Sonya. Along with my academic, uh, I am group member of Alpha Geeks and Robo Club. Apart from this, I am learning C, C++, DSA, and various technology. Recently, I completed my internship at the Sparks Foundation in web development domain. In that internship, I worked on payment gateway integration project. Now I am working on phone book application using C++. My hobby is competitive programming, and I am a good problem solver and quick learner. Thank you. That's all about me.
Thank you, Sagar Nivargi. I request Sagar Vani to continue your introduction.
Hello everyone. Good morning. My name is Sagar Vani. I am from Barsi, Solapur. Now I am pursuing in third year Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering at Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have completed my SSC from Silver Jubilee High School, Barshi, with percentage of 81, and HSC from Sri Shivaji Mahavidyalaya, Barshi, with a percentage of 83. Now, during my college, I did a project, a mini project on the face mask detection using OpenCV. In that project, I have learned many things like how it works, how project works, and how various libraries are getting into it. The next or extracurricular activity I did in my college are like I was a coordinator of my uh, I was a coordinator of Robo Club, and I was also the coordinator of the Ayushkar events. My interests are Web3, uh, DeFi, and the blockchain technology. And my achievements are I was a part of my cricket team, which used to qualify in zonal and interzonal competitions. Uh, my hobbies are reading books, watching web series. That's all.
Thank you, Sagar. I would request Satyam Agrawal to continue your introduction.
Hello everyone. My name is Satyam Agrawal. I am from Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech in Electronics and Telecommunication Department. Now, I have completed my 10th and 12th in Aurangabad with 89 and 75 percentage. My technical skills includes C and C++ languages, along with the HackerRank skill development batches. I have achieved the many of the gold batches in C, C++, Java. Currently, I have developed the two projects in the respective languages. Being the electronic engineer, I am the full stack developer also. For the full stack development, I have learned the HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap as well as the React and Angular framework. I have developed the two of the projects in the full stack development. This for the in the electronics domain, I have accomplished the two of the minor projects in first year as well as in the third year. That project includes the fire alarm detector, and in the third year, I have completed my mini project, which name is uh, management of the dam, which is completely automated. My achievements are I am the best coder on the HackerRank as well as the code forces. Uh, being the engineer, I'm also the socially active. I'm currently working for the two of the charities which are which are trusted, or which are the helping to the poor people. I'm also interested to helping in the poor for the charity. That's all about me. Thank you.
Thank you, Satyam. I request Swami Yogesh to continue your introduction.
Hello everyone, I am Yogesh Swami, third year undergraduate from Government College of Engineering Karad, located in Satara district, Maharashtra, and my branch is Electronics and Telecommunication, and my CGPA is 8.5. I completed my schooling from Dayanand Institute, Solapur. My technical skills include Python and C++ programming language, and I had done an internship in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning from Experts Hub, in which we developed a music recommendation system. Talking about projects, I had completed 3 projects till now. First one is a music recommendation system. Second one is the IoT based flood detection system. And third one is a smart health monitoring system. And talking about hobbies, my hobbies are playing online games. Thank you.
Thank you, Swami. I request Vijay Avsare to continue your introduction.
Okay. Thank you, Atharva. Hello, everyone. A very good morning to all. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Vijay Avsare from Osmanabad, Maharashtra. So currently, I am pursuing my BTech in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad, and I have completed my 12th from 12th Maharashtra Higher Secondary College, Barshi, and I have completed my 10th from New High School Anala, that is my from village. So talking about project, currently I'm working on Flipkart Grid project, which is hosted by Flipkart, and we have completed, means we have successfully cracked first stage, and we are working on second stage, as well as I have completed my IoT based project, which was I was intern in Siemens, and I am interested in IoT as well as in embedded system. So I am the CR and student coordinator of TPO, as well as I am a member of Robo Club, and I am quick learner, as well as I have good analytic skill.
Hello everyone. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Kamble Vishal. I was born and raised in Pandharpur, Maharashtra. Now I am pursuing a BTech third year in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have done my HSC in YCIS College, Satara, and SSC in Bharnath Vidyalaya, Ankoli. And I have got 73.08% in HSC and 88.60% in SSC. Now currently I have completed internship as a campus ambassador at Lyricious Learn With Us. I have done two mini projects. One is liquid gas, LPG gas detection, and one is based on Raspberry Pi, which is automatic pill dispenser robot. Now my strength is self-motivated, hard working, and the wise is on. My languages are Marathi, Hindi, and English. My hobbies are get books. Short-term goal is to get job in reputed company like you, and my long-term goal is to get a respected position in the company. That's all about me. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. I will thank TPO Group. That's all.